Welcome to part 2 in this 3-part video series where I'm showing what's taken me years to learn and a lot of costly mistakes along the way, and that's how to flip real estate in another state. Now, if you missed part 1, go watch that video right now, then come right back here to watch this video. I hope you're excited to learn how to flip real estate in another state. On this video, I'm going to show you my proven process for acquiring deals and 4 steps to analyzing deals remotely. Maybe you live in a market that's not ideal for fix and flip and you'd like to do deals remotely in another market. Maybe you live in another country and you'd like to flip houses here in the US. Or maybe you're like I was several years ago where you've created a strong presence and a strong business model in your local market and now you'd like to expand in another market. Whatever the case is, it is possible to successfully fix and flip houses remotely in other markets. For me personally, I had built a strong flipping business in Metro Detroit, and I wanted to expand into other markets to give me more opportunities. Now, I made several costly mistakes, but I stuck with it and I eventually developed a winning formula for doing deals remotely, and so I'm gonna share with you the mistakes to avoid and the lessons I've learned over the years. Now, if you're considering or already flipping houses remotely in another state from where you live, leave a comment below and let me know the reason why. I'd like to know. And if we've never met, I'm Jerry Norton, and this channel is dedicated to helping you make money right now in real estate, not later, not in 10 or 20 years, or even 5 or 3 years, but right now so that you can live your dream life. Consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. And be sure to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you the fastest way to make your first or next $10,000 in as little as 30 days. Once you've learned your market, it's time to start farming for leads. We call this acquisitions. To really go after leads in your market, you want to get in front of as many motivated sellers as you can. To do that, be sure to go after both on-market and off-market leads. Now, to learn the difference, watch this video here. Once you've identified a potential motivated seller, the biggest challenge is analyzing that deal remotely. You're not there to physically go look at the properties. Now, in order to run the numbers, you need to know 2 things: after repair value, or ARV, and the cost of repairs. Once you know those 2 things, you can run my fix and flip buy formula to determine your offer price. Now, if you're unfamiliar with my buy formula, watch this video. Now, ARV can be determined online looking at comps. The challenge is determining the cost of repairs without being there. So follow this 4-step process for estimating repairs and running the numbers remotely. Step number 1, have the seller or the agent provide pictures. For now, a smartphone is perfect. Describe to the seller exactly what you need pictures of. You're looking for an overall understanding of the condition of the home. Step number 2, follow my 60-second repair algorithm for estimating repairs based on the square footage of the home and whether it's a light, average, or heavy rehab. Now watch this video to learn my exact 60-second algorithm. Step 3, run the buy formula and make an offer with a 10-day inspection contingency. At this point, you haven't invested a lot of time on the deal. If and when the seller accepts your offer, this gives you 10 days to verify and validate the numbers. Now, since you have a contract, you can now spend much more time doing your due diligence. And step 4, after under contract, hire a freelance photographer from Craigslist for like $25 to $50 to go to the property and take detailed pictures and video to validate your numbers. Get hundreds of pictures of everything inside and out. Have him or her take pictures and video of the neighbors and up and down the street. And if need be, hire an inspection report. Use a rehab checklist to break down the cost of repairs. Add 10% as a buffer. Ask your real estate agent to do a quick drive-by and walkthrough to, again, validate the numbers. Make sure you are comfortable with your ARV and your rehab budget and your buy price. If everything clears at this point, it's time to move forward, schedule a closing, and line up your funding. Real quick before I forget, I'm always looking for deals, and I have a finder program where you can submit deals to me, and if they meet my criteria, I'll pay you $10,000 for every deal you bring me. Honestly, it's the fastest way to earn your first or your next $10,000 in real estate. Now, I'm holding a web training class where I'll show you everything about it and how to get started. Click the link in the description. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and like it. And if you have a question, leave a comment. And also your biggest takeaway and your action item that you're gonna do right now. And if you wanna make more money in less time flipping houses, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. Finally, this is video 2 in a 3-part video series. Be sure to watch this next video where I'm going to show you my 6-step process to hire a general contractor and manage the rehab. Since you're not there to check up on the contractor and make decisions, this is critical to learn. Watch that video now and I'll see you on the next video.